Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling everything so you don't interrupt the melt. You need Choco Bear, a small pot or double boiler, and a thermometer. This controls temperature and prevents seizing. Once ready, measure 30 to 50 grams per serving and pour 1/2 cup liquid if the recipe calls for it. You heat gently to the specified degrees C. Why? Because steady heat preserves texture and flavor. Make sure your workspace is clean and start melting right away. You now focus on controlled melting and active stirring. Once the Choco Bear softens, maintain low indirect heat and keep the thermometer in the mixture so temperature stays steady. Gradually add liquid in thirds while stirring to integrate smoothly. This prevents lumps and split texture. Stir with a spatula using broad strokes to emulsify fats and liquids evenly. If it thickens too fast, remove from heat briefly. You'll know it's right when you finish by bringing the mixture to serving temperature and transferring it promptly. This locks in gloss and texture. Pour into molds or jars while still warm to prevent air pockets, then chill briefly if you need firmness. Serve at the suggested temperature so flavors bloom. Why? Temperature affects aroma release and mouthfeel. Make sure to clean tools immediately if the Choco Bear seizes or grainy spots appear. Rewarm gently and whisk in a teaspoon of warm liquid to re-emulsify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.